Tomorrow's September 20th. What will you be waking up to? Because the FedNow program should be launching on February 20th, where with at least 6 of the major banks in the world will be essentially recalling the US dollar and replacing that with digital dollars. Now, will you see anything happen? No, you'll go to bed with so much money in your account, you'll wake up with that exact same amount. You won't see any change. The difference is there's actually not a dollar supporting that dollar you have in your account. It's a digital dollar, it's a crypto dollar, it's a FedNow dollar that is controlled by the US Federal Reserve, designed to allow you to make any purchases throughout this entire world 24/7, instantly, like Venmo, that kind of thing. You can transfer money to that person instantly, transfer money to that person instantly, because you're not actually handing them anything at all. You're just messaging them a PDF is really all you're doing, a crypto dollar. Now, I want to start by saying, remember when there was the launch of the Affordable Care Act website, how incredibly successful that was. You know, we're dealing with the Federal Reserve version of this, and this is just phase one of the Federal Reserve controlling every single dollar, because they'll be able to access any of those digital dollars, delete them, whatever they want to do at any moment in time they want to do that. And it's important that we begin to talk about this, because this is also what I believe to be phase one of a bigger picture, which is the mark of the beast, because the mark of the beast specifically says you cannot buy or sell without this mark. And of course, this is phase one of it. It's going to, I can't, obviously, if I had cash, I don't need a mark. If I had gold, I don't need a mark. But if I just have this digital thing that is really nothingness, kind of like media today, media, nobody owns a CD anymore, or, nobody owns a tape or anything. It's just a digital thing that's out in the world. And that's what your money will be. It's a thing you can't actually hold in your hands. You just see it on a computer screen or on your phone. And that is just phase one of what that is. And it's something that, are we waking up to that tomorrow? I don't know. I recommend you start looking deep into the FedNow program, all one word, FEDNOW, and see, September 20th was launch date, planned by the US Federal Reserve with the biggest banks in the world. All of them just recalling all those dollars and replacing them with digital dollars. And you just wake up and you don't know that, you're just still digitally throwing money around like ever before. And I'm sure you can go to the ATM, you can pull out some cash, but you're not pulling all that cash out, that's for sure. Any thoughts or insight on that, definitely put that below, but we'll see. I hope I'm wrong. I want to take a moment and say that most people that watch this channel are not subscribers to this channel. Please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. It greatly increases our chances of our message getting out through an algorithm that already battles against us. That link is below. The most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests, and never, ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.